chances for life, as we know, to move to or begin independently on the moons of Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, as Sun gradually becomes a red giant, pushing Goldilocks zone further out, plus life sustaining parameters holding well. Look, when will the Sun become a red giant? Maybe in 4 billion years. How old is the solar system? 4.54 billion years. So the amount of time the solar system has existed, it's going to have to exist for another that much amount of time for the Sun to start becoming a red giant. Around that much time. Yeah. And as the Sun slowly expands and becomes a red giant, the Goldilocks zone will move outwards, no question about it. So eventually, at the peak of of the red giant phase, our Earth is going to be swallowed up by the Sun. So the Goldilocks zone will go outwards, further and further outwards. What will the solar system look like at that point in time? We're not quite sure. So the solar system has been evolving over time. There have been some planets that may have been ejected out of the solar system in deep antiquity. The orbits of the planets have been reconfigured over time. It's possible that Venus may be the orbit of Venus may go somewhere else in the future. You know, these are not entirely 100% stable orbits. They will change over hundreds of millions of years, maybe billions of years. That's one thing. Secondly, what are the chances for life to begin independently or move on to the moons? Chances, well, to begin independently, there could already be life on maybe Europa, maybe Enceladus, maybe on Titan. A different kind of life than what we can, potentially imagine. On Titan, it will be a totally different kind of life because the chemistry is totally different there. It's methane-based chemistry on Titan. When it comes to Europa and Enceladus, it's subsurface oceans that we have there. Even Pluto may have a subsurface ocean. So as the Goldilocks zone goes outwards, maybe Europa becomes an ocean world. Maybe Enceladus also becomes an ocean world, and the several kilometer thick ice crust just melts. Then you could have life there that could be similar to the kind of life that we have in the oceans of our planet. All kinds of possibilities are open, and the change in the Sun and its transition to becoming a red giant, it will not happen over a time period of weeks. It's going to happen very, very, very slowly, and it will happen over evolutionary geological time scales, which will give life the time to evolve in and adapt to the changing circumstances.